Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an investment portfolio on Google Finance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.finance. Once you're on the site, look to the right side of the screen for the Your Portfolio section. Here you'll see any portfolios you've already created. To start a new one, click on Create Portfolio. Give your portfolio a name, then click Save. Now you can start adding investments. Click Add Investment. A pop-up box will appear. Select Stocks as the type of investment, then search for the stock you want to add. Enter the quantity, purchase date, and purchase price. Once you're done, click Save. Your portfolio will now display real-time values for each stock and show your total portfolio performance. To view your portfolio anytime, just return to the Google Finance homepage. You'll see it listed under your portfolios. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage an investment portfolio on Google Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.